Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall. It's not working for you. It ain't happening for you. You can't get from level 1 to level 3, 4, or 5 because you letting your distractions distract you. Yup, that's what I said. You letting your distractions distract you. It's a confluence of forces that's working together to present noise for you. And you listening to the noise and you getting distracted by the noise and it's causing you to stop. And what I'm telling you is you gotta block out all the noise. Don't let the noise distract you. Sometimes you gotta move some things and people out of the way so everything you want can come your way. What you gonna move out your way? Sometimes you gotta move this phone out your way because social media, the internet, that's a lot of noise. Sometimes your homeboy, your girl, your best partner, I had to learn a long time ago, I don't listen to no noise. I got a goal that I want to accomplish. I got this thing that I want to get done, whether it's in my business, my relationship, my parent, whatever it looks like in my health, and no matter what the distraction is, I'm not distraction. And you're not getting the way you want to get to because you got all them things in the way and you scared to move it out the way. Stop letting your distractions distract you. Get rid of all the noise. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.